All right, so here we are doing a departure from Charlotte Douglas, an airport that's under construction. We'll be with American Airlines. All right, so they have the self-check-in with the bags, and then where do you take the bag drop? Let's see here. Should be pretty easy. Well, we're in here. I don't know how this airport has so many people, but it does. It is incredibly packed. I think people just love being around people. That's what it is. Oh, sorry. B gates. Where's B gates? Okay, so I'm going to B gates, which is better than E. I think E is the furthest one. Lots of food options here. I also did an arrival showing you just how much walking you would have to do. I had no idea so many people lived in Charlotte.
Attention to the terminal. Airport is being passenger. Luggage shower for D. Luggage shower for D. Please go to the American Airlines baggage service office. Once again, luggage shower for D. Please go to the American Airlines baggage service office for all aircraft operations after 2012. Luggage shower for D.
So we'll just pick a spot there and chill. Well, we've got this place here called like 1897. You can see they've got lots of food options. I would say Charlotte's pretty good about that, but going back out to the busy zone. Look at this wave of people. Just a wall of people. Just a wall of people. Look at that. A wave. Humans. Yeah. This is just one of the corridors. This is B gates. All of them are like this. A gates. Sorry. Now, one thing I would say, Charlotte is one of American Airlines hubs. So because of that, You get a lot of American Airlines flights. I think this is the number 2 most busy American Airlines port. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Oh, airline assist for American there. I would hate to end up in that line. This is crazy. Look at this. This is how American Airlines does it.
I said, I'm just letting you know that.
JFK. That's where I'm going. Okay. So we're just waiting. If you don't like crowds, don't come to Charlotte. It's crazy. It's just a mess here. Too many people. Maybe 10 to 15% overwhelmed. I'd say that's what it is. But yeah, didn't seem like it was as bad with Delta. Delta's bad in Atlanta. Best way I can put it is if Coca-Cola and McDonald's had a baby and it became an airline, it would be American Airlines, and Charlotte would be its capital. That's the best way I can put it.